Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Imperium Expert Advisor for MT5. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is to walk through the MQL5 marketplace. We're going to be breaking down the key features of this expert advisor, and then we jump into the strategy tester to see how this trading robot actually behaves. All right, and from there we go over the results. Now, currently the Imperium EA is priced at 190 US dollars with rental options available as well. You can see 1 month 30 US dollars, 3 months 80 US dollars, 6 months 150 US dollars, and the rental for a year is 180 US dollars. All right, let's quickly go to the description of this EA. Okay, we can see that the EA is recommended to be used on the EURUSD. Now, in as much as it works on all pairs with adapted parameters, the recommended currency pair is the EURUSD, and the time frames recommended are the M15 to the H1 time frame. And of course, it supports multi-currency. All right, you'll be able to receive adapted parameters for other currency pairs after your purchase. Okay, but you will need to contact, you need to contact the seller in order to get those adapted parameters. All right, and then hedge mode is strongly recommended. Okay, hedge mode is recommended. Now let's go into more of the key features. Okay, this EA is positioned as a probabilistic, right? Is positioned as a probabilistic engine. Okay, a machine learning assisted system designed to adapt to different market conditions rather than rely on a fixed strategy. Okay, and that's an important distinction, right? Instead of following a single rule set, it is essentially evaluating multiple factors, like market structure, volatility, and probability. You can see, right? Each decision is evaluated using criteria like the market context, quality, statistical probability of movement, signal strength, volatility structure, and dynamics. All right, a position is opened only when the internal probability score exceeds strictly defined thresholds. Okay, so the developer has already made it known that the EA uses an external machine learning engine which has been trained on different market conditions like trends, ranging phases, and high volatility environments. So the idea here is that the system is not just reacting to price, it is selecting scenarios based on statistical probability. All right, remember that this aspect of internal probability is one of the fundamental, features or um, uh, functions of this EA. All right, it's one of the mechanisms, right? One of the fundamental mechanisms of this expert advisor. All right, now in terms of setup, we already realized from the earlier on we already realized earlier on that the EA is optimized for Euro USD, even though you can use it on other pairs. Okay, so that fact is already established, and we can see that there is an emphasis on risk management. Okay, ultra robust logic, dynamic adaptation, controlled exposure, optimized trading frequency, controlled risk management, and then the EA is also compatible with ECN, raw, and standard types of accounts. All right, so overall, from a structural standpoint, this is an EA that is designed to be more of a controlled adaptive system rather than an aggressive or high risk expert advisor. Okay, so we are just going to proceed to test the EA right now. We have already gone through the main features of this expert advisor. So we are going to proceed to testing the EA right now. Okay. Remember that for each expert advisor that you want to test, you can um, you can choose the parameters for which you want the EA to be tested on. All right. So as the EA is added to our navigator now, I'm going to show you very briefly on those parameters that you can modify depending on how you want the EA to be tested. All right. And then if you proceed to purchase the EA, also remember that you can modify the EA settings, right? Depending on the customizable settings available. Okay. You shouldn't be afraid of just using the default settings. The default settings might work good and fine, but you can also modify the settings according to your taste. Now, having added the EA to our navigator, we are just going to be testing it immediately. All right. So these are the parameters I was talking about. You can change the symbol. Since the expert advisor is optimized for EURUSD, let us just test it using the EURUSD pair. All right. Okay, so let us test it using the EURUSD, and then since the EA is also optimized for M15 to H1, let us just as well use the H1 time frame, and then we are going to be testing from, let's just test from the beginning of this month. All right, from beginning of this year, I mean. Okay, so we're going to be starting from 2026 January. All right. Okay, so let's just see how this EA has performed from the beginning of this year till date. As at the day of recording this video, it's 20th April, right? So now for this, we are going to use the last ping to your server. I like to do that for for more accuracy. Okay, so these are the parameters we're going to be using. Feel free to also modify the deposit or the leverage and all of that, right? So click on start, and now we are going to see how this EA works. Okay, so now that we are in the strategy tester, let us take a look at how this EA is actually executing trades. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing here is that the EA is trading continuously. All right, back to back trades. Provided that opportunities are found in the market, you can actually have multiple trades executed at a time. All right, so you know um this EA is most likely based on volatility or overall market quality. Okay, so currently we can see now that we had a sell trade executed, and not too long ago we had several trades executed at a time. You can see here we also had buy trade executed. Let me go use a smaller time frame so that we can have a longer duration for this test. Okay, so we already tested with the 1 hour. Now we are testing with the 15 minutes. Okay, so we can see that multiple trades were opened at this particular time. So it is an EA that can execute multiple trades at a time, provided that there are opportunities found. Okay, and in terms of strategy, what this looks like is a mix of trend following behavior. We can see that we had trending markets, right? And then we also see that there is a possibility of mean reversion or consolidation based entries. You will see that at some point the markets were consolidating and the EA still executed a trade. All right. So what this tells me is that we are probably having a combination of trend following and consolidation based trading. Now, the key difference here is that instead of running both blindly, the EA is deciding when to apply each approach. All right, so that is where the probabilistic engine comes in. All right, it's essentially scoring market conditions and only entering when certain thresholds are met. Now, in terms of exits, you can also see that every trade had a definite stop loss, right? Defined stop loss levels. All right. During the course of the back testing, you will see that there were defined stop loss levels, which aligns with the risk controlled approach mentioned earlier when we were going through the MQL5 web page. Okay, so overall, the structure here is evaluate market conditions, assign a probability score, enter only when conditions are favorable, and then, manage risk strictly on every trade. Okay, so we are done with the back testing. We are going to be heading over to the results. Now we want to see how this indicator performed over the space of 3.5 months, right? Okay, so like I said before, you can modify the EA settings. Okay, remember that after purchasing the EA, if there are any customizable settings available, any customizable inputs, you can be able to modify them. All right, so we're not going to dwell so much on this particular area that is showing us, the general settings, the risk settings, trend filter, and all of those things, right? You can see these are just some of the settings, right? So let's just head over to our results. Okay, now over the past 3.5 months, based on this back testing, we had a net profit of about $50. That is giving us around 1.5% or thereabout, 1.6% thereabout, right? Because we used an initial deposit of $3,000 for this back test, and we're having a net profit of $50, right? So there was a gross profit of $1,447, and then gross loss of $1,397. So the losses, the profits were almost wiped out by the losses, maybe due to different market conditions and all of that, right? But remember that market conditions can also affect the performance of an expert advisor. Okay, and then the lot size that is also used during the course of the EA being executing trades, right? The lot sizes given to the EA to execute trades also can affect, the level of drawdown, right, that the account experiences. Okay, so now the the expert advisor yielded just a little profit over the space of 3.5 months, and we had a balanced drawdown absolute of 81.51, and we had quite a low profit factor. Okay, but remember that no EA guarantees the same performance in the future, right? Like we say, past performance does not guarantee future results. All right. So the fact that an EA yielded a particular results over the past doesn't mean that it's going to give the same results in the future. All right. But we still have to do back tests at least to understand how the EA works, and at least if it is profitable enough, right? But I cannot say if an EA is profitable or not. You just have to work with what the results that the EA gives, and then you have to also practice on a demo account. I would always recommend, and perhaps you see both the past performance, you see both live market performance, and then you can draw your conclusions. Okay, but based on this particular backtest that we did today, the EA yielded a little profit, and my overall thoughts concerning the strategy is that it is quite structured, and it is built around a probabilistic and adaptive approach. Okay, focusing on selective trade entries, controlled risk, and adapting to different market conditions. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, or if you want to consider getting the expert advice, or don't forget to leave a like and a comment and follow for more. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.